Om Sri Venkateshaya Namaha. Welcome again to the spiritual program, Scientist Priest. Today, we will try to appreciate the global vision of our ancestors and their love for nature, their efforts to conserve nature, and with the temple as the focus point. In a temple where the Supreme God has been installed, which is generally in the middle of a human settlement, the temple acts as a center for various social, ethnic, fine arts activities, at the same time educating the temple visiting devotees even without their knowledge. When speaking about nature, the temple needs lot of support from the Mother Nature in and around the temple. Our ancestors who were great scientists and saints, they have planned it in a way that it becomes absolutely essential to interact with the nature, to preserve the nature, to use the nature, various elements of nature in the daily activities of the temple. Talking about the requirements for daily rituals in the temple, we need, starting right from the main entrance of the temple, we have to tie banana trees at the entrance, both the sides, the mango leaves as garlands above the main entrance, as auspicious signs. We now know that the mango leaves are very high oxygen producing chlorophyll filled leaves, and at the same time they drive away the bacteria in and around the place. Going inside, we need flowers of different colors and different fragrances for the daily puja of the deity. At the same time, temple staff has to raise flower beds, tulsi beds, to harvest the daily requirements of flowers and tulsi leaves, banana leaves. And the various herbs are used for the daily rituals like cardamoms, cloves, camphor, sandal paste, which are all products from trees. And the temple requires food grains and vegetables to prepare offerings to the deity and to be distributed to the visiting devotees. As a special requirement, we need various herbal sticks called samhitas to be offered into the fire for the daily yajna. Daily yajna is performed in the temple, inviting all the gods to come and accept our offerings. The sacred twigs are dipped in cow's ghee and offered into the fire the smoke emanating from the offering into the fire is supposed to bind the water molecules in the atmosphere and help in forming rain-bearing clouds. At the same time, we need a lot of cow's products also. We need milk for doing the abhishekam, daily bath ritual to the god. We need curds for preparing various prasadams to be offered to the god, ghee for preparing the sweetmeats and for fire offerings, and cow dung and cow urine we are used in cleaning the temple premises, as they are known antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal. And the cow dung cakes are used as fuel for the fire offerings, yajnas. So to raise the cattle, we need cow herds, and we need fields to grow the fodder for the cattle. And there are also other species of cattle like livestock, like elephants, horses and bullocks, to be used in the processions of the god around the temple streets as the insignia of an emperor. So these are all the rules laid down by our ancestors, who are very clever saints and sages, so that every temple going devotee will be observing that the products of nature are used in the temple every day, and for this it is essential to raise gardens, forests, cattle in and around the temple. So this is how our ancestors have made us to compulsorily protect the nature, spread the nature, and to respect the nature also. Even today, it is our duty to protect the nature, to love the nature. We have to go into the nature and be one with the nature. What you are seeing now in the farm, amidst the trees, amidst the plants, and amidst the cows, it is such a soothing experience. It brings down your blood pressure. It makes you happy to live longer. So every devotee should love nature and grow nature. Om Sri Venkateshaya Namah.